Netizen, welcome to my YouTube channel, Pinky Vlog. And guess who? We are here. Nandito ang ating ng Salad Master sa Singapore. Meron ka ba mag-Singapore yan?
English lang.
Ayan. Pero alam niyo naman mga kababayan natin, taga masisipag. Kaya unang-unang tanong natin ay about OFW. Kasi marami tayong mga overseas Filipino worker, especially in Hong Kong and Saudi, I know. How about Singapore? Marami ba tayong OFW?
Maraming Filipino sa Singapore, and I'm one of them nga. Dati nag-work ako as a dental nurse, and then I'm doing salad master.
Parang parang mukha ka ng Singaporean eh. May lahi ka bang Singaporean?
Wala. Parang na-blend lang.
Wow. So unang-una about OFW, yung mga did you encounter any difficulties, may struggles?
So far,
Simula?
hindi.
Kasi dental naman.
At saka mostly naman sa Singapore talaga, they are open for Filipino as overseas worker. So karamihan ng mga Filipinos are engineers.
Wow, mga
Engineers,
professional.
nurses.
Wow.
Yes.
So, pero I heard may mga domestic helper.
May mga domestic,
Pero
like
hindi
nung
karamihan.
maliliit yung anak ko, Filipino rin ang DH ko.
Wow.
So I know that Filipino talaga magaling mag-asikaso, kaya Filipino rin. Pero may option kami to get Indonesian, other nationality.
nationality.
Pero syempre choice namin Filipino.
Kasi
pa
Filipino.
din. Yeah.
So you are a dentist? Or?
No. Actually, sales and marketing ako. I just learned dental 4 years ago.
Okay.
So, nag-training lang. Alam mo naman sa Singapore, if you are there, maraming option ng work. So, and if you are like a resident, kahit anong work.
So, narito po tayo kasi dito sa Hong Kong, karamihan po ng ating Filipino workers ay overseas domestic helper. So, ano po yung encouragement niyo sa kanila? Kasi katulad mo, naka-experience ka rin magkaroon ng Filipino domestic helper in Singapore. So, paano po ba magkaroon ng good relationship ang employee sa employer? Tama ba yun?
Okay.
Sa amo, sa kasama.
Yeah, so number 1 kasi dyan, dapat may pakita mo nga sa Pilipino na pagkakatiwalaan ka. So, you need to work hard and maging polite and respectful. Yun lang naman. At saka, ititreat ka naman ng maayos if you can show na you are very respected din. So, parang ganun. Kumbaga, nakikita naman sa atin, kultura naman ng Pilipino talaga is maasikaso tayo. So, yun. So, i-maintain lang nila yon. Huwag silang magpadala sa, minsan may mga challenges like, minsan yung iba na ma-maltreat, di ba? So, siguro more on prayer din na makahanap sila ng right employer.
So, paano po sila na-encourage na yung mga homesickness ng ating mga OFW?
Homesick is like, pray more.
Okay?
And then talk to your family kasi marami ng option like online video and everything. Or make yourself busy, something resort. Yung makakagawa ka ng bagay na magiging abala ka para hindi ka maging ma-homesick.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then, tama
Yeah,
yun.
join Salad
Join
Master.
Salad Master in Hong Kong. I'm Salad Master team ko po Hong Kong and team niya ay sa Singapore. So,
yeah.
what can you say about Salad Master? Paano mo sila may encourage about Salad Master? What is this? Some of the people, they don't know what is Salad Master and they don't know really the...
Salad Master, hindi naman siya diet company or something, but we are promoting to have a healthy lifestyle, like using Salad Master, magiging healthy kasi yung food mo. It's 100% na yung food mo magte-turn into as your medicine or vitamins, natural. So, yun, yung for myself, malaking bagay. Kasi from 60 plus, I'm 50 plus. So,
Wow.
nag-lose weight ako because of Salad Master.
Talaga maganda
as well.
ang
Yeah.
niya, no?
Kasi yung mga gulay na nakakain mo, very healthy na na-retain niya yung 93%. Yeah, nutrition.
That's good. So, ano pang additional information na pwede mo bigay?
Yeah, Salad Master is really, talagang hindi mo siya ikakahiyang i-share to every family or every household, lalo sa mga Pilipino. Kasi it will be a blessing kasi binigyan mo sila ng opportunity to learn about Salad Master. Maraming mga opportunity when you go inside Salad Master.
Pwede rin ba ito sa business? No?
Yeah. As a user or as a business, maraming opportunity as I said. Yeah.
Especially overseas, so is it your target or overseas Singaporean or overseas Filipino na nasa Singapore ka eh?
Majority naman, every household, especially kung gusto mong tumulong. So, ang main goal natin dito is kung sino yung family na gusto mong tulungan. Like, if they have health issue, if gusto rin sa mga career, pwede rin kasi. Always pwede. Maraming way. Mm.
So this is
Angie,
promote mo yung,
From-
yung ano,
from Singapore. Ano po promote ko?
yung ano ng salad master mo.
Oh, yeah. Everyone na makakapanood, kung may mga relative kayo sa Singapore, just let them know Angie is here, and then they can ask and I can give more information.
So do you have any blog or any channel so that they know how to...
no, not yet. And I will start to learn about reels and everything.
para
Kasi-
makontak kanila kasi sa mga
Yeah.
Singapore. So if you
Yeah.
cannot contact her, ako muna kontakin niya si Ate Panmoy.
Yeah, sure,
Pinay na in-check po ako sa YouTube. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yan. Para mailapit ko sa kayo ng mga nasa Singapore, sa kanya at sa akin naman sa Hong Kong.
Hong Kong.
Salad Master.
I can also refer yung mga Hong Kong friends ko.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why Salad Master believe in better.
Yes.
Diba? Yun ang aming ano ngayon eh.
Yes, believe in better.
So thank you so much. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
Yan. God bless po sa lahat. Bye-bye. Ayan po. Meron po tayo na interview na taga Singapore. And hanggang dito na lang. This is Ate Panmoy of Pinky Vlog. And always remember, be happy, keep safe, keep healthy, and keep trusting the Lord. Bye-bye. Happy and be healthy. And salad master na po kayo. So, best healthy cooking there. God bless. Bye-bye. Have a happy day.